Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on the developer options of your Android phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable your Android phone's developer options, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your phone settings. And after opening your phone settings, next, I want you to tap the About Phone option right here. After that, look for an option you'll need to tap 7 times in a row to enable developer options. The exact name of this option depends on your phone model. For example, on Xiaomi phones, it's called MIUI version, but on other brands, it might be labeled as build number or something similar, but just tap it 7 times, and you'll unlock developer options. And after tapping it 7 times, there it is guys, you will now receive a notification that you are now a developer. So now that you've enabled your developer options, let me now show you how you can find it. So to find your developer options, just scroll down until you see the additional settings. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, just scroll down and then you will now be able to see the developer options, just go and tap it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now be on your developer options, so you can now make advanced changes to your phone settings. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.